Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Web Tech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through an easy step-to-step process on how to download Coinbase on your iPhone. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. Now let's get started. Make sure you turn on your Wi-Fi or your cellular data and get connected to an internet first. Once you've done that, go to your App Store, tap on the search button and then type in Coinbase. Once you make a search for Coinbase app, you'll be able to see the application displayed in the search result. If you tap on the application that says Coinbase, buy Bitcoin and Ether, this one right here, you'll be able to see further information about it, its preview, ratings and review, some information about the application. To quickly download the application for your iPhone, tap on the download button. Wait until the application gets downloaded for your iPhone, which is a quick process. Coinbase is a secure online platform for buying, selling, transferring and storing cryptocurrency. It is a simple, safe way to buy, trade and sell your cryptocurrency. Once the application is downloaded and it is ready for use, you'll be able to see an open button popping up right beneath or right beside it. Tap the open button in order to launch the app open. And that is how you can easily download Coinbase application for your iPhone. In order to create a Coinbase account on your iPhone, first make sure that you've downloaded Coinbase application from your App Store. Once you have it, tap it open. Tap on the Get Started button at the bottom of the screen. You can also go visit our description box and use the referral link provided in it. This will benefit our channel's growth without costing you anything. Now, in order to create a Coinbase account, first type in your first name. Now, on the next field, type in your last name. Enter an email address into the email address text box. While entering an email address, make sure to enter a valid one. After you're done, type in a password for your account. While creating a password, make sure to create a password which is at least 8 characters long. Tap on I certify that I'm 18 years of age or older and I agree to the user agreement and privacy policy. You'll be able to see Create Account button activated at the bottom soon after you do that. Tap on Create Account. Soon after you do that, you'll need to verify your email. A verification code will be sent to the email address that you chose. Simply tap on Check My Inbox and open up with the email service provider. For example, I've chosen my Gmail account, so let me tap on Gmail. Open up Gmail by tapping on Open in the pop-up, and now you should receive an email from Coinbase. Tap it open and verify your email address by tapping on Verify Email Address. Once you've done that, click on the Start button on the next page. Now you'll need to verify your identity. Tap on Continue after going through the information. It says that you need to enable two-step verification, which requires your phone number. Tap Continue and provide your phone number into the text box. Once you do that, tap Continue at the bottom. A 7-digit code will be sent to your provided mobile number. Wait for it to arrive, and as soon as it does, type it into the text box. Once you receive the code, type it in and tap on Continue. Once you're done verifying your identity, tap on Done and you are done, and you have successfully created a Coinbase account using your iPhone. Allow necessary permission for the application, and there you are. You've ended up in the home page of Coinbase. Finish account setup by tapping on Finish Account Setup. Follow the on-screen prompts. Add a payment method in order to buy your first cryptocurrency on Coinbase. In order to log into your Coinbase using your iPhone, first make sure that you've downloaded this application right here. Once you have it, you can simply tap it open. In order to log into your Coinbase account, first you'll need to have an account. If you don't have a Coinbase account yet, before beginning the video, simply use the referral link in the description box below to create one. This would benefit our channel's growth without costing you anything. So let's jump right into the video. Once you have the application and account for yourself, simply tap open your Coinbase application and you'll end up in the first interface. From the first interface, to log into your account, simply tap on the sign in button at the upper right hand corner. Now to log into your account, you'll need to type in your email address followed by your password. Simply go ahead and type in your email that is associated with Coinbase into the first text box. Soon after you do that, head over to the next field where it says password and type in your password correct. In case you don't remember your password, tap on Forgot Password link beneath the Sign In button on the left-hand side and follow the on-screen prompts to reset to a new password. Finally, after you are done typing in your credentials and you are ready to log in, tap the Sign In button in blue. Now, you'll need to enter the 7-digit code that will be texted on your mobile number that is associated with Coinbase. Once you receive the code, type it into the 7-digit code text box. And finally, tap on the Verify button. Soon after you do that, you'll be logged into your Coinbase account using your iPhone. Let's jump right into the video. Tap open your Coinbase application from the app drawer. Once you open it up, make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged into your account, from the home page of Coinbase, tap on the hamburger menu located at the upper left-hand corner of the screen. Soon after you do that, this will open up an expanded menu. Tap on Profile and Settings right under your name at the top. From this page, scroll all the way down until you find this option that says Change Security Settings. Give it a tap and it'll take you to a new tab. Now, right where you can see Change Password, give it a tap and type in your old password into the first text box, which means your current password for Coinbase. Once you do that, type in the new password that you are trying to change to into the next field. After you do that, go to the next field where it says New Password and type in the new password that you are trying to change to. Now, confirm the new password into the last text box. Make sure to type in the same password that you are trying to change to. You'll need to enter the two-step verification code that has been texted to your mobile number during this process. Simply go ahead and type in the code that you received. Finally, tap Confirm at the bottom and as you can see that you've received a note that says your password has been changed. That is how you can easily change your password for Coinbase. Next time you log into your account, make sure to enter the same password that you just updated to. Changing a password is a great option when you are pretty much skeptical about the security of your account. In order to link a bank account to Coinbase, tap open your Coinbase application first. Make sure that you're logged into your account. In order to be able to buy cryptocurrencies on Coinbase, you'll need to link a bank account or a payment option. So from the main homepage, tap on the hamburger menu located at the upper left-hand corner of the screen. From the expanded menu, tap Profile and Settings. Right where you can see Payments Method, tap on Add a Payment Method and tap on Credit/Debit Card option. Now you can simply type in your name that is available from your card provided by your bank. Go ahead and type in your name first and then head over to the next field and type in your card number. Once you do that, right where you see expiration date, type in your expiration date for your card. Type in your CVC number next and finally type in your postal code. Once you're done entering all of the information, tap on Add Card and on the next page, simply follow the on-screen prompts. You'll be able to link or add a bank account to Coinbase so that you can make crypto purchases. That is how you can easily link or add a bank account to Coinbase. If you want to view purchase history or transaction history on a Coinbase using your iPhone, first open up Coinbase application. Make sure that you're logged into your account. If you don't have an account yet, before you begin watching the video, use the referral link in the description box to create an account for yourself. This would benefit our channel's growth without costing you anything. Now let's proceed further. After you open up your Coinbase application, in order to view your transaction history, scroll down from the main homepage and right under Watch List on your dashboard, find the cryptocurrency that you want to view the transactions for. Let me select this Bitcoin option over here. Now proceed to Bitcoin Wallet on the next page by tapping on Bitcoin. In this page, you'll be able to scroll down to see the entire transaction history for this particular cryptocurrency. If you're interested in a particular Coinbase purchase, simply tap it on and it will take you to the details page of that purchase. If you've forgotten your password during the login in process for Coinbase and you really don't know what to do, then follow the steps. Open up Coinbase application and tap on the Sign In button in the upper right-hand corner. To log into Coinbase, you'll need your email address followed by your valid password. In case you've forgotten your password and you don't know what to do next, simply tap on the Forgot Password link beneath the Sign In button. Now, this will take you to the next page. You'll need to type in your email address into the email address text box. While typing in your email address, make sure that it is correct. Finally, tap on Reset Password and you'll receive a reset password link emailed to you in your inbox. Simply go ahead and tap open your email and open up your email received from Coinbase. Tap on Reset Password and open it up with a web browser. Now, you need to type in a new password. In order to reset your password, make sure to type in the password that is easier for you to remember next time. Now, confirm the password by typing it again into the next box. Finally, tap on Update Password button beneath. Now, simply enter the two-step verification code that you will receive on your mobile number. Once you type in the code, tap on Verify. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to reset your password for Coinbase. Next time you log into your account, make sure that you enter the new password that you just recovered. In order to close or delete your Coinbase account, you won't be able to do this from your mobile application. So, you would want to tap open a web browser. Since I'm using my iPhone, let me tap open Safari. In the search box, go to the URL www.coinbase.com and search. You'll end up in the official web page of Coinbase via your mobile device. Tap on the hamburger menu located at the upper right-hand corner and tap the Sign In button. You'll need to be logged into your Coinbase account on your web browser. Now enter your credentials, that is your email, and your password that is associated with Coinbase. Soon after you do that, tap the Sign In button. Enter your verification code sent on your mobile device on the next page and tap Verify. Once you're logged into your Coinbase account, tap on the hamburger menu located at the upper right-hand corner from your main home page. Now click on Settings. Tap on the drop-down right next to Profile and you'll be able to see other menu displayed. Select Activity from the options. Now what you'll need to do is scroll all the way down from this page. Right under Account Activity, you'll be able to see a button that says Close Account. Remember that closing your Coinbase account will ultimately close your Coinbase Pro account as well. You must have a zero balance before your account can be closed. If you still have funds in your wallet, you'll need to send them to an external wallet or a fellow Coinbase user. Tap on Close Account button and you'll receive a pop-up like this. Type in your password associated with your Coinbase account. This is to verify that it is you who's trying to close the account. And finally, tap on Close Account button. Remember to meet all of these criteria over here. In order to close your account, you must meet all of these criteria displayed over here on the page. Finally, after you are eligible for closing your account, you can see this Close My Account button pop-in up. Give it a tap, wait for a few seconds, and you'll be able to delete or close your account for Coinbase quick and easy without any kind of a delay. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.